Hi everyone, so today we'll be continuing on with our Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar reveals here. I do mine every 4 days, so you've probably seen the last, 3 days at least, maybe with somebody else or however, but I am doing 17 through 20 today. So if this is still available, initially I received it as a sample free of charge, so of course all opinions are my own, and I will link it in the description box. Those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links for the US and the UK. And of course this is not specifically a Christmas thing. I mean, I can show you the cards I've been making. I've been making 4-bar cards, and oh, I am missing one. Where is my little doggy? Here he is. So we have our little Frenchie. So every 4 days I've been making cards. They are 4-bar cards. In the first video I showed you how to make an envelope that will accommodate them. So we'll continue on doing basically that. So let's see what we have today. Starting with day 17, and it is down in this bottom corner here. So let's try to get that guy open. So day 17. Oh, it's a big square. Let's see what we have here. Oh, like a little tag die. That's what it looks like. Yes. Cute, cute, cute. So we have like a little die set. I love this. Again, it's more of an everyday kind of calendar. It's not specifically a Christmas calendar like the Advent or the stitching calendar, right? Because it was geared towards Christmas. And you open that one up earlier and work on it and all that good stuff. But look at that, nice size. And then again, they're doing this nesting thing where the smallest one, the nesting set, is a tag. So they did the same here. No exception there on that. Okay, so day 18 is over here. So let's open up day 18. And it doesn't have a picture, so it's probably something like sequins. Oh, these are so pretty. I love that color. It's very mermaidy. Cute, cute color. It's yeah, it's like teal. It's like a Tiffany color, but green. Really pretty. Sorry, I was making tea and I had to go turn off my kettle. Okay, day 19. So that's very, very pretty. And I'm sorry if you hear a loud noise in the background. I'm doing laundry and I put too many towels in the washer. I can hear them already. All right, so day 19. Let's get that guy open. And it looks like a stamp set, I think. Happy birthday wishes. Have a sweet day. You are adored. Warmest thanks. So let's check that out. Yep, nice little stamp set. And again, these are acrylic stamps. And so we have that happy birthday sweet. I love the little, like the font on it, the handwriting. Very cute. And, oopsie, so day 20. These are all very much things that can kind of work together. So let's see. Day 20. Ooh, it's a big guy up here. Okay. So we're getting there, guys. Just a few days left. So day 20, let's open this guy up. And, oh, okay, I'm assuming this is a stencil. And it's a good size. There you go. So a little like polka dot layering kind of stencil, or like bubbles. I guess bubbles more than anything, or like just dots. It looks like this is how they go. So they do overlap. So I'm going to try to make something up with what we have here. I know today we had just the one die set and then a couple other, decorative type things. So let's see what we can pull together with this. I might have to bring in some things from before, but maybe not. Okay, so let's check that out. I'm trying to see if there's a way that this, if you layer it, that they don't overlap, and I don't know that that's the case. Because like these guys overlap a little bit there and there. I probably shouldn't have moved them around because now it's just going to be whatever. Or maybe that's just the whole point, right? They're just whatever because they overlap, and that's a good amount there. And then this guy comes in and he's kind of over here and a little overlapping there. So, I think you're supposed to have fun with it, is what it looks like. So, this looks good though. Okay, let me think about what I want to do, and I'll be right back. We're making our card base, and I did recently pick up a new Spellbinders trimmer because I broke my other one. And then people do ask, how did you break it? I dropped it, and then one of the little things that kind of hooks in here broke off, and I was still using it, but it was not easy. So I went ahead and grabbed another one for sure because I love this. This is my absolute favorite paper trimmer ever. Okay, so she's ready to go. I mean, right out the box. So funny, on the last one I had finally picked away the little plastic coating. There's a plastic covering on this. And I'm going to leave it until it starts looking bad, and then I'll pick it off for this one. So I just have this double-sided paper. If you have something like that, you're going to want to put a matte layer on the inside, obviously, to do your writing, or maybe just a little something you cut out. I don't know. But I'm trying to think of what I want this to be. If I need a 5x7, and then we score it at the 7. Yeah, I want it to be this way. I'm trying to think where I should cut. 5 inches should be on this side. So that's what a 4-bar card is. It's just a 5x7 card, a piece of cardstock, or however. Scored down the center. So 5x7. So it ends up being 5x3.5. Yay! And I can leave that up there, and then just put this at 3.5. 3.5. And score it. And I want the dots on the inside because I figure most of this is going to get covered up anyway, because I'm going to put a little something over the top of this. So that's fine. I'm going to grab a piece of white cardstock and I'm going to cut it down to 4 7/8 by 3 3/8. Okay, guys, so we have that. I'm not going to stick this down yet because we are going to stencil on this, and then maybe do our little sentiment on one of these guys. We'll see. But for now, I was looking for a scrap of paper to put behind here because I think I want to do it in just like a fun way. Something like this. Okay, and you do have registration marks, you know, so if you want to follow those, this kind of goes right on top of here, but not quite. So what I'm going to do is, let me think how I want to do this. I want to do this in a smart way. It doesn't really matter. Like I said, it's very avant-garde, this one, okay? So I'm just going to grab some inks. I have some red and purple and like a bluish, kind of pinkish red. And so, again, if we just start like here, let's say something like this, and I'm using that little dot as what's telling me where to go. I don't know. So let's start with one of the colors. Like I said, I don't think it matters much on this one. It's just the fun little thing. Okay, that was my first one. Okay. And I'm going to put that to the side. And then I'm going to go in with this one. And again, just kind of eyeballing where that was. It kind of overlaps here. Maybe I'll just move it like that. You know, whatever. Let's do maybe this purple. I don't think there's a wrong way to use this, is all I'm trying to say. Okay, so just a little bit of purple. And then I'll bring in this blue, and I'm still kind of looking at that. Those kind of line up too much, so I'm just going to, again, actually, that's kind of where I had it before. So I'll move that over a little bit, and let's do some blue. I could just kind of concentrate this at the top. What I was going to do in my mind is do some here and then some down in here. But I mean, if you just want to concentrate at the top, it would look really cute. It looks like it's just kind of sprinkling down, something like that. So I'm going to take this guy again and then maybe just put it right down in here. And again, I'm just eyeballing this. That is a very juicy red, so I'm not going to dip anymore. A little variation of color there. And my little dot was kind of like within that red one, this dot. So I'll put that there. And we'll do some purple. And then the blue. Kind of like in there. And again, I knew that little dot, the registration dot was kind of within that little red one. So that's what I'm focusing on. Something like that. And again, I mean, if you want to bring it in all these other areas, you can definitely do that. Now I'm thinking maybe I should. Like, why not? So let's bring the red one over. And I'm just kind of minding where I'm putting it, like remembering where I'm putting that. So there's that. Purple. me see where this is. The red one was right there. Purple can be, oh, it's way out. So, you know what? I'll just bring it in wherever I feel like. You saw the purple one wasn't going to have any dots. They were off to the side, so. Okay. And then we can bring in the blue, which again, if I line it up, it's like here. So I'm just kind of eyeballing where I think that should be next, like here. I know it's missing that top part, but I think it looks cute down here. Okay. And then some down here. So maybe like there. Yeah, that red was really juicy. I didn't have to dip it this time either. And let's get some purples going. Maybe like right there. That's cute. Okay. So hopefully you see I totally ditched the looking to where the registration marks are. Just kind of looking through it and seeing where I think looks best. And then a few blue. There's too many right there. Maybe like that. That's good. All right, so there's that guy. Let me clean up and we'll pop that onto our card. Let's go ahead and take this guy and glue that down. Now you can have the little circles. That's why I did that on the inside, because I thought it would be cute, kind of reminiscent of the dots on the outside. So let's get this popped down, and then I'll probably do a stamping and then maybe die cut it, right, with these guys. A little glue in the center. I always forget to put glue in the center. There we go. I'm going to hold that down and I'll be right back. I grabbed this little blue piece of paper because I thought it could coordinate. I kept that flat with something heavy on top. And let me see. I think something like this. And then we have our lettering here. So, you know, this can also go this way, I suppose. I think that might actually work better. Let me see. Because the happy birthday wishes, if I do the longer one, it doesn't quite fit in this one. It would fit in this one. Unless we did like a sideways kind of thing. Have a sweet day, you are adored, warmest thanks. You know, there's different ways to play this one up. So let me think about what I want to stamp, and I'm just going to stamp it on this blue paper. I'll be right back. I'm going to do the happy birthday wishes, but I'm going to do a little something to separate the wording, so we'll do that in a minute. And then I want another piece back here. I know we're covering up our cute stuff, but I think that'll look cute. So I'm going to run this through like a reddish pinky color. And I'll be right back. It's more like red, but that's okay. We have that guy. And then this one, I'm just going to take it and stamp it in a way that I can separate out the happy birthday and then the wishes. So it's kind of funky. I don't know if you see that. It's supposed to be kind of fun and different, but I'm just going to put that down here. And I'm going to bring the wishes part around the corner just to keep it out of the way. And so I can dip this and say happy birthday, and I think that'll work, and maybe even happy birthday is too long. Actually, I didn't pay attention to that, so let's see. Happy birthday, and then take it so that this wishes is isolated right in between the two letters, two words, should I say, and bring that around here and say happy birthday wishes, right? Oh, I missed the S a little bit, but that's okay. We can fix that. So what happens is if I miss something like that, I'll take like a micron and just finish it. And no one's the wiser. All right. I said this one, right? Let's see if it fits. Oh, okay. Like just barely. I was wondering if that would even work. Okay, so we have that guy. We have this guy. And that's about where I want that to be. So I'll run this through. And I'll be right back. Okay, guys, let's bring this over. And, you know, if you have a grip mat, you can definitely pop this down with a grip mat. Right now I'm just putting the smallest piece of tape just to hold it for a second. And you don't even know, in the middle of this, I spilled my tea, you guys. I was like, don't. It wasn't on my project, so that's good. But, yeah, not great. Definitely close that up if you're as clumsy as I am. Okay, so let's see. We're just going to pop this on here. And I mean, it is right there. But I just like that way that looked better. So that's what I went with. And we can put some texture on this. I mean, you can even run the stencils through with a rubber mat and you get some texture on that little bit, you know, if you wanted to. Yeah, I knew that was going to happen. So I want to see where I was going to put this guy. Let me get a bigger piece of tape. I'll be right back. Yeah. The reason I said, I was thinking about maybe putting some dimensionals on this, but I don't think so. Since we have our little sequins and stuff, I think that's what I'll do. So, and then even with these sentiments, I mean, on the inside, you can still stamp some things. You have happy birthday wishes, you know, you are adored, have a sweet day. The other one's a thank you sentiment. And maybe we'll pop some of these guys on. Just a bunch of different colors. I was thinking about bringing the yellow ones from the other day too, but I think I'll just leave it at this. So, and today it looks like there are some different sizes. A lot of the larger ones are coming out, but there are 2 different sizes, I believe, in this sequence. So I'm going to hold that down and just kind of have fun with it. Something like that. I always like groups of 3, so that's what I do. And thank you. Last time I asked if you guys like to use your sequence with like the cup side down, oops, sorry, or the cup side up, and most of you guys said cup side up, which is the way I do it. But again, you can mix and match with the colors from before. And I'll be right back. Okay, guys, and that is it. So thanks for watching. Again, 4 more days. The next video will be 21 through 24, and that will be that. So continuing on with our little 4-bar cards, and I just have a variety of cards here ready to go. Very sweet. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.